Controversial exits of Bollywood stars from movies. Priyanka Chopra. A huge ruckus was created by none other than Bollywood's Bhaijan when Priyanka Chopra walked out of his movie Bharat. The actress decided to get married with Nick, which is why she had to leave the project Bharat. Salman Khan did not take this decision of PC supportingly and cut off his cordial relationship with her. Salman even went on to take a jibe at the actress publicly for not doing the movie by saying she would regret her decision. Kartik Aaryan. The most controversial exit of a star from a movie in recent time has to be Kartik's exit from Dostana 2 of Karan Johar. As per the reports, Karan Johar decided to throw Kartik out of the movie for his unprofessional behavior, which irked Kejo. It is being said that Kartik was delaying the project without any reason, which was creating hurdles in Janhvi's upcoming projects too. While several people blamed Karan Johar for removing Kartik from the project, Kartik has not said anything officially. Sara Ali Khan. Sara was supposed to make her debut with Karan Johar's Dhadak opposite Ishaan Khattar, but she was removed from it. Yes, Karan removed Sara from the project and gave the role to another star kid, Janhvi, reasons best known to him. This created a huge buzz in B-Town, and even Sara and Ishaan's PR started the rumor of their affair too, which ended abruptly. Sonu Sood. Sonu Sood's exit from Manikarnika was controversial too, as Kangna claimed Sonu did not like to work under a female director. Halfway through the filming of Manikarnika, the actual director left the project and Kangna decided to direct the movie. And soon after this decision, Sonu too left the project for creative differences, but Kangna, being Kangna, created controversy around it. Rekha. Rekha was roped in for the movie Fitur and she even started the filming of the project. But to everyone's surprise, she left the project abruptly, and the reason behind her exit was more shocking. As per the reports, she left the project as she had some no-makeup looks and Katrina was looking better than her in the movie. Chitrangada Singh. This actress left the movie Babu Moshai Bandookbaz midway and created a huge ruckus on the sets too. The makers revealed that during the filming of the intimate scenes, Chitrangada was very uncomfortable with Nawazuddin Siddiqui and had objections to love-making scenes. The actress even refused to kiss Nawazuddin Siddiqui on screen and angrily left the set of the movie.